Over a million. Windows 10 and 11 users can just downloaded and actually installed a Linux distro. That's not a niche forum thing, that's mainstream momentum. Here's what that means, why it's happening, and how to try it without breaking your PC. First, the headline, Stat. 7 figures of Windows users moved to a Linux desktop, designed to feel familiar. Think a clean start menu, taskbar, App Store, and one-click updates. It's free, fast, privacy-forward, and it runs on hardware that Windows 11 left behind. Why now? Windows 10 support ended, Windows 11 has stricter requirements, and the OS is getting heavier with things you didn't ask for. Meanwhile, Linux on the desktop has leveled up. Better drivers, better gaming with Steam Proton, smoother installers, and app stores that feel like, well, app stores. Chrome works natively. Firefox works natively. Spotify works natively. Slack works natively. Discord works natively. Office? The web versions of Microsoft 365 are solid, plus LibreOffice for offline docs. Adobe? You'll need alternatives or cloud tools. Gaming? A huge chunk of Steam's library runs great thanks to Proton. Anti-cheat support has improved. But check your titles first. Try a live USB. You boot into Linux without touching your disk. Shut down, and Windows is unchanged. Dual boot. The installer can resize your Windows partition, so you pick at startup. Virtual machine. Safest sandbox, a bit slower, perfect for testing apps. Pro tips. Download from the official site, verify the checksum, use the vendor's USB tool, and keep secure boot on unless the docs say otherwise. If you dual boot, back up your files first, and take a photo of your current partition layout. Speed on older hardware, 0 licensing fees, no forced reboots, and control over updates. You get clean Flatpak or Snap apps and a UI you can tune or leave stock. Big picture, a million installs proves choice is back. If you've been curious, start with a live USB, see if it fits, and only then commit. Your PC, your rules.